I just started my first ever giveaway. Make sure you guys hit the link in the description. I'll wait for it to focus. Honestly, I can't believe you wore those tires out that fast, to be honest with you. But it's huge though.
I actually drive it like I should drive it like I do, bro.
I don't know who that is. That's honking at me. I'm growing my hair. I'm getting a little Bozo the Clown going on in my hair right now. I grew the beard out and then I cut it off, and then I'm like, all right, let's grow the hair out now. Screw it. One of the biggest trucks that I've built, other than like the any level lift, Dennis came to get some new tires, or brought us some new tires. We put some new tires on the truck. If you guys don't remember this one, it came through. Was this a year ago? It might have been about a year ago. Yeah. So we did the 10 to 12 inch. One of the only 10 to 12 inch Mcgaughys that I've ever seen. One, seen in person, and two, had the pleasure of installing. Love Mcgaughys big front crossover on the 10 to 12s, and it's got all the rear billet face plates, front billet face plates, torsion drop, all color matched white. We were really hitting on some good vibes. 2021, 2022, we've definitely done some good things, but I don't think that we're going to be able to top the kind of builds that we were doing back in 2021. It's got the dual reservoir shocks on the front, matching upper control arms. I mean, that lift kit is just absolutely insane. I love the Mcgaughys 10 to 12 inch, and then obviously 2614 American forces, you can't beat that. But he came through today. He had just put some torsion keys on it, so we're just sitting about 12, 13 inches right now. Yeah. Somewhere around 12 to 13 inches with the 40s now. Didn't have to cut anymore, which is nice. But he's got the Toyos. Love the Toyos. You guys know I'm a Nitto fan, but Toyos are just as nice. I really like the Toyos as well. I actually had a set of Toyos before I got the Nittos last time, just for those of you that didn't know that. But I want to make sure to show some love. Start the video off with something cool. Videos always seem to do pretty well when I start a video out with a build reveal right at the beginning. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Awesome things coming. Let's get this bread. Don't want to mess it up. It's all caught in there and stuff. There's keys. Sorry, there. You don't need no keys to this.
Some of these tiles are like extremely hollow.
I might need you to ride this in a video in a day or two. We gotta do some promo videos. This is coming up in a giveaway. Giveaway, baby! I thought about putting it like literally in front of these wheels, because I mean, I love Fuel Forwards, but them wheels ain't it.
Get it out of the way.
Yeah. Kind of put it off in the cut over here. Back on in. Back on in. So look, within the next week or two, we're starting a giveaway. And if you guys show enough love to the giveaway, we're giving this bike away. We've got a lift kit that we're giving away to the second place winner, and then $500 cash to the third place winner. And yes, anybody can enter. I will have, with maybe not this video, but within the next couple of videos, I'll make sure to be talking about it in every video, and I'll have, you know, different promo videos and stuff coming out. But make sure you guys stay tuned. We are doing this giveaway. It's I want to say it's $25 for one entry, $50 for 5, and then $100 for 10 tickets. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm really excited about that. We got one of the wheels in for the next any level lift that we're doing. It's at a 28-inch JTX. I think it's the Melee, I'm pretty sure. I might be wrong, but it's like this orange chrome copper color, which is super cool with the matte black spikes on it. Big 42-inch Furies. It's going on a 22, I think it's a gray F450. This one's gonna be freaking sweet though. Freaking dropping dimes out here. I'm letting y'all know, new any level lift on the way, baby. We built an any level lift back, it's probably about 6 months ago now, and we're doing another one. So for you guys that haven't seen that, there's a full build video on my channel. Make sure you guys go check that out. Hit the like and subscribe button on that video. Hit the like button on this video, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see, something new to end the year off. We're gonna go hard for the end of the year, and it really just helps the channel out a lot and just means a lot when you guys hit the like button. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Just in case y'all were wondering, I've got a couple of decals going out today, and then a box of like 6 or 7 shirts actually. I got a couple of big orders the other day for some shirts, the breast cancer shirts. So I got these going, getting dropped off to the post office today. You guys have been showing a lot of love on the videos to the shirts, to the videos, the shirts, the hats. I got a new hat coming out. I'm gonna drop the thing here on the video so you guys can see it. The Like 'em Wide hat with the Georgia peach and the little butt cheeks. It's freaking fire. So go check that out in the description below. I wanted to document this moment, one, because my voice is gone, and it's probably gonna be kind of funny to hear me talk. I did shave my face again too. So my voice is really weird.
and I'm gonna sound different, but 2, I was leaving the gas station in front of work, and I'm 99% sure I just curbed my wheel. I'm not really upset about it, but I'm more using it as an excuse for a thumbnail, maybe in the later in the video. So if this clip becomes more of the video, you understand why. If this is the last clip that I talk about me curbing a wheel, then I guess I didn't really curb the wheel. But we'll stop at a gas station when I get back towards my house and see if the wheel is curbed. It's at that driver rear or the passenger rear back there. I didn't even hit a curb or anything. I just was too close to the curb on one side. But that's one of the things I like about having these 375s is I have enough tire on the wheel to not really curb them ever. The funniest part about this clip is 1, my voice is still gone, and 2, I completely forgot to check and see if my wheel was scratched when I got home. So we're gonna look now. So I was coming, oh no, it wasn't the back one. The back one's fine. It was this front one. Oh, we're good, baby. To be honest, I don't even see where it hit the tire at. I don't know. You ever like hit a curb and you feel the tire hit and you know you're fine? And then sometimes you hit the wheel. And when you hit the wheel, obviously you know you hit the wheel because it's more of a knock than a, oh yeah, we're good. We're good. I don't know how I get this lucky all the time. We got a whole lot of cool stuff out here at the shop today. We got this white Ram with the 2614s, the chrome FTS kit. Here, my voice still going. My voice keeps cutting in and out. I don't know what the deal is. Got to be allergies or something. The 2614 Axe wheels. Beautiful. Little dice on there. It's cool. Chrome FTS kit. Always a good choice. Look at this one though. So we just finished this one up today. 9-inch Mcgaughys kit, 37s, Gladiators, and it's actually his birthday this Saturday. So happy birthday if you watch the videos. 2614 American Forces. I freaking love this wheel. The Nemesis. Look at that shine on there. 2614 Nemesis with the chrome spike lug nuts. Got that 9-inch Mcgaughys down there, the silver kit. That's freaking beautiful. I love this body style too. This truck turned out great. About 9 in the front, 7 in the back. And it does have the, this one's got adapters on it because originally this wheel wasn't for this truck, but it works so perfectly. So it's definitely really wide too. I love the way that this truck turned out. That might have to be my thumbnail right there. That's freaking beautiful. I love that. I know he's gonna be excited. Come pick that one up. The little Transit on some aftermarket. It's got a little Bronco action going on over here. Little Denali action over here. It's been a good week. Got a little Ram poking out. It's been a good little week. I love that Mcgaughys kit. This truck turned out really freaking good. Let me know in the comments. Y'all like round bodies still? I'm still a big fan. That was fast. Oh, looks good on here.
It does. Looks like it should be on there.
They look familiar.
The tailgate's broken. Sorry.
Aren't they all?
No, your tailgate's really broken.
Oh, mine's broken? Or are you saying yours is broken?
No, yours is broken.
Mine's broken?
I can't get yours closed.
Oh, there's a secret to it.
Oh, no.
There's a trick to get it to close. Look, the only cat on the channel now, killing me.
Love it.
Freaking killing me. Such a sad day. Such a sad day. What are you looking at? Not working? Mikey's about to put a 9-inch lift on his Tahoe. I like his Tahoe a lot. Look at I forgot the old bow tie was back here. Look at that box. It's a sad day. It's a sad, sad day. So they've officially totaled the old skinny bow tie. I'm supposed to be picking up a check this week. Oh, look at this. Please don't hit it. I'm supposed to be picking up a check this week. And the old girl will be gone, so within the next day or so, I gotta get her all cleaned out. I gotta get all my shit out of the back of the truck. Should be gone. Sucks. I really like this truck a lot. Oh man. Oh man. Freaking sucks. Just part of the grind, I guess. Should be missed. Oh no. It's gonna hit me.
That what came out of the tire?
Yeah.
Can it be fixed?
No.
No? You can't fix that? Nice. Souvenir. You don't need a new tire. It took me a couple of days and we haven't actually gotten like promo videos and stuff done, but I need to talk a little bit more about this giveaway that we're doing. So ultimately the goal is to give away a truck, right? But me and my team, I guess is the best way to put it, you know, silent team, we're giving away a bike, right? And we're also giving away a lift kit. Probably end up being like a rough country lift valued up to $1,500. And then third place winner is getting $500 cash. So obviously first place is gonna get this 2009 Kawasaki. I don't know much about bikes, so I'm not gonna talk too much about it and make myself look stupid. But plenty of people that come through the shop have said that this is a super nice bike. And I know that the current owner has told me he's going like 190 miles an hour on this thing. So I know that it's fast. So super, super excited. Me and RJ are gonna get together, do some promo videos and put that into some of the videos as well, do some Instagram stuff. But I'm super excited to be finally announcing my very first giveaway on the channel. To be honest, giveaways have never been something that I've really gravitated towards because it seems like a money grab and it seems like it just never really fit my thing, right? But somebody reached out to me, a good dear friend of mine, and gave me an opportunity to do something, an opportunity to grow and try something new, and I kind of jumped on it, to be honest. We will be donating a little bit of the money, or most of the money that comes, you know, outside of having to pay for the products and everything, to some form of a breast cancer fund. It's something that I hold dear to my heart. All of the Southern Ties and Breast Gang and Bread Gang stuff that's sold during the month of October, all of the sales, part of the sales goes towards that same breast cancer fund. So I'll have more information on which fund and like the description and everything of the giveaway, and then there should be a little bit of information on my website about it as well. So make sure you guys go show some love to the southerntirescollection.com link below, and then I have a raffle generator that's, you know, all legal, all third party, has nothing to do with us. We don't pick the winners, we don't handle any of the money, nothing like that. So any of the tickets that you guys go buy and support and show love, it's all handled in a separate account, separate entity. It has legally nothing to do with us that are running and promoting the giveaway. So I don't want you guys to think it's some kind of scam or anything like that. I just thought it was a cool idea, try something new, and hopefully if this one goes well, we'll be giving away a rose gold brand new Silverado, which is freaking cool. But all of the rules and regulations, all of the disclaimers, all of that good information will be in the top of the link of this, or the top of the description, the first link in the video. So make sure you guys check it out, buy some tickets, 1 for $25, 5 for $50, and then 10 entries for $100. So make sure you guys go hit the link in the description down there right below the video. Go show some love, kicking off the giveaway. Whole lot more information coming soon. We got to film some promo videos with the bike, but you ain't gonna catch me on the bike. I'm not the guy that you guys want to see on the bike, or maybe you do, but if you want to see me dump or, you know, go over the handlebars or something on this, then maybe. But if you guys want to see something cool, somebody cool riding the bike to do a good promo video, I'm not the guy. I'm not the guy for the job. I do have just a couple of the like 'em wide with the peach emoji hats left. So you, well, I might have like 2 or 3 of those left. So if you guys want to cop a hat, will be in the description below. I love the way that the new hats turned out. I love the new logo. It looks like a little set of butt cheeks on there. But Brandon won't let me wear them at the shop. So you guys will only see me wearing these hats outside of work because Brandon doesn't like me having the little peach on my hat at the front desk. I think it's been a minute since you guys have seen the old bow tie. Old bow tie looking all cute out here. For those of you, I mean, just about all of you know about the truck, but I got that 9-inch Mcgaughys lift, 2614 Bread Gang wheels. Look at the Bread Gang center caps, freaking beautiful. Nitto trail graps, best tire in the nation. Alpha X headlights, Boost Auto Parts mirrors. What else we got back here? Alpha X taillights, Gen Y hitch, Grill Tech. Mint. Got the big old axle dump, single tip, 10-inch in the back. Bread Gang back there. Crisp Customs did the color match on the front headlights and the third brake light as well. It's been a while since I've gone over the old bow tie. Got that Mcgaughys kit. I love it. I miss this truck. I really do.